Welcome back to Ride Reviews, the channel where power meets precision and we bring you the boldest rides on the planet. Today, we've got something truly next level. The 2026 Dodge Viper has officially been unveiled, and it's not just turning heads, it's redefining American muscle. This beast doesn't whisper, it roars. Dodge has gone all in with a completely reimagined design that keeps the Viper's iconic DNA but injects it with futuristic aggression and race-born technology. Let's talk about what's under that sculpted hood. The new Viper packs an absolutely insane 850 horsepower thanks to a supercharged 8.4-liter V10, pushing this thing from 0 to 60 in just 2.4 seconds. That's not just fast, that's borderline illegal speed. It's paired with a new dual-clutch 8-speed transmission that delivers razor-sharp shifts and smoother cruising than ever before. This Viper isn't just about speed in a straight line. It's been engineered to handle like a true track weapon, with an all-new adaptive suspension, upgraded Brembo carbon ceramic brakes, and an active aero system that generates real downforce at high speeds. Visually, it's a masterpiece. The aggressive lines, widened stance, and muscular curves give it presence like no other. The front grille is sharper, the hood vents are more pronounced, and the new LED lighting adds a modern but menacing touch. Dodge is offering it in 10 new color options, including a striking Venom Green, Deep Crimson, and Stealth Gray, plus racing stripe customizations that scream performance. Inside, the Viper goes from brute to beauty. The interior is surprisingly refined, featuring hand-stitched leather, carbon fiber accents, a fully digital 12.3-inch driver display, and a 15-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The new sport bucket seats are both heated and ventilated, and there's even a premium Harman Kardon sound system for when you're not letting that V10 sing. Ambient lighting, dual-zone climate control, wireless charging, and advanced driver assist features like blind spot monitoring and adaptive cruise control round out a surprisingly sophisticated interior for such a wild machine. Dodge has priced the 2026 Viper starting at $125,000, with higher performance trims like the Viper ACR and the track-focused Viper X topping out around $165,000. Given the performance and exclusivity, that's a serious bargain for what you're getting. Pre-orders are already open and interest is through the roof. Dodge has confirmed limited production numbers, so if you want one, you'd better move fast. The 2026 Dodge Viper is not just back, it's evolved. It's faster, smarter, and bolder than ever before. This is the new king of American performance, and it's here to shock the world. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Ride Reviews for more epic automotive reveals. Catch you in the next one.